The clone tool has had a massive overhaul in Photoshop CS3, so let's see how it works. We're going to copy this window further up the wall. We'll begin, as before, by clicking the bottom right-hand corner of the window with the Option or Alt key held down to set the source point. Now, when we paint with the clone tool, we can see the window appearing. But it's much too big, and it's at the wrong angle. So let's undo that step. In the clone source palette, we can click the Show Overlay button, and that makes a ghosted version of the overlay appear in front of us. We'll also check Auto Hide, which will make the overlay disappear while we're cloning. So let's have a look at this window and see how we can fix it. First of all, let's fix the scale. We'll take it down to about 80%, which seems right for this scene. But the window also appears to be leaning back on that wall, so let's change the angle. And let's make this an angle of about -3 degrees. Now we can start to paint it in on the wall. And there it goes, in perspective, looking well against that wall. When we carry on to paint the light coming through the window, we can see it's further away from the wall than the previous window's light. So let's undo that step and go back to the clone source palette. We're going to change the Y offset to bring that light a little bit higher. Now, when we paint it in, it fits much more closely with the rest of the scene. And there's the finished image.